Hello everyone, I'm David Saint-Jacques, Canadian Space Agency astronaut, speaking to you from the Columbus module in the International Space Station. Today, I'd like to say a big thank you to everyone who participated in Mission Zero as part of the 2018-2019 European Space Agency Astro Pi Challenge. Over the past few months, students from all over Europe and Canada have been writing Python code for Mission Zero. We had lots of entries this year. Many of them were successful and were sent up to run on the two special Astro Pi computers here on station. We really enjoyed seeing the Astro Pis light up and display your greeting messages. I hope that many of you will be back again next year to go one step further and design your own science experiment as part of Mission Space Lab. Once again, congratulations to all the students and teachers that participated in Mission Zero. Very soon, you'll receive a certificate of congratulations to commemorate that your work has actually been in space. I hope that this is just the beginning of your exciting adventure as a space scientist. Goodbye.